3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Forex Trading Show. Forex trading live every weekday morning. Real trades, real profits, zero analysis. Set back, relax, and get ready to profit. And now, your host, Terry from FXWithTerry.com.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Forex traders. End of the week, Friday, January 31st, 10:01 a.m. Mountain Time, 12 noon Eastern Time. The free trade that I launched has closed. In profit. You're welcome. $162.86. Basket of trades. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now, I will admit I did not keep up on this one inside of the group because I've been so crazy busy. Either way, I believe even if you were only in two of the trades, you were still pretty profitable. So, really depends. I mean, listen, if someone's looking for the signal trade, they should be in the group. They should be commenting in the open chat area. Pretty straightforward. So, we will grab another trade. Been lots of volume. I have not looked. However, I have heard it going off in a serious way. So, let's go grab... let's go look at the full system here. Stand by while I pull it up. Here it is. Very interesting volume. So here we are, $153 drawdown. What was it, like $500 drawdown yesterday? Hard for me to keep track. We were in a couple dozen trades. Now we're in less than a dozen. Let's see here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we're in 10 trades. So we're seeing this volume dump basically about 2 days a week. And then it takes about 2 days after the volume dump for the trades to clear up. That's exactly what's happening. Look at this closure. Overall closure, $406.76. That's really damn good. That is damn good. This system never loses. Okay? The system never loses. I don't know why you would not be plugged into this. Look what it has made for the week. $2,484.98. That's incredible. To be able to pull in that level of profit, net profit, in just a week. And where are we at for the month? 6,043. That's really good. Truth is, that's probably not looking back far enough just because it's the end of the month. It's probably not. Let's look. If I scroll all the way back, let's make sure it's going all the way back to the end of December. Where is it here? So we've got a 1206. Yeah, this what you're seeing there with about the $6,000. Let me go back for the monthly. That's missing about a week's worth of data. So it even the custom function at the top right of MetaTrader 4 doesn't work that great. Let me type it in. So 1/1. Let's do it. Let's do it from 12/31. So December 31, 2024 to we got January 1, 2, 2025. Man, I'll tell you what. The way they The way they jack these dates up. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, the sort function, I've never really trusted it. If I go all the way back to the beginning here, if I scroll back, where is it actually picking up? Still only picking up from 1206. Something doesn't seem right here. What's that say? 6. That is jacked up. Either way, beware that the sort on MetaTrader 4 is never extremely accurate, but nonetheless, over $400 for the day with only 10 trades open and 140 some dollars in drawdown. That is an extremely stable market. Again, we're getting a dump and then the trades close out, and then we get a dump of more, when I say a dump of money from the big banks. All right. Let's pick a trade here for the free signal. What would I jump into? We've got one AUD, CAD, NZD. We're really only in one trade on each one of these. Let me take a look at this. NZD CAD. That looks like it's going to be probably a pullback before it takes profit. Let's do NZD CAD. So, NZD CAD, don't forget that. I'm going to bring us back to the free signal. What I'm going to do is launch this on my end. So give me a second here. NZD CAD. That is probably... It's going to take me a while to find the account. Because for some reason, my brain is frozen this morning. Here it is. NZD CAD. We were in NZD JPY. We'll take this one. And that was the first trade in the sequence. That didn't work. Stand by. And of course the computer's frozen. Here we go. I typed in the wrong thing. There is our trade. I'll bring you back here. And there it is. NZD CAD buy. NZD CAD buy trade. The take profit is 0.82108. Take profit 0.82108. This will be a great trade. So in doing that, we basically looked back and forth between everything. Shows you the full algorithm. In my particular system, you have the ability to grab any number of trades, any basket of trades. You could trade them all. You can trade one pair. You can trade select pairs. And you have full control over the bid. Let's take a look at an account here. I want to show you something. This is... What I'm about to show you is something that not many people can handle emotionally when it comes to Forex. But if you want to make the big bucks, you gotta play the game. So let me show you this trade here. Let me show you this account. So what we're looking at here is I'm calling it my high lot auto hedge test. I started this out at a $10,000 account. It's up 85.5%. So $8,555 is what it's up. Yesterday, with, I believe, and we'll look at it, CHF JPY was hitting it hard. And my auto hedge system was hedging, taking a loss, hedging, taking a loss. It was taking big losses. But I have to do that because I'm taking big risk. So I was actually down to I was around $7,000 profit in the account. Got down to around $15,000, and then when this trade closed last night, it closed at a very nice profit. So take a look at this. Your average person will not be able to stomach what is happening during this trade sequence. Okay. CHFJPY. Take a look at this. There was a lot of trades, and it was primarily a buy. The signal was a buy trade. The hedge is the sell trade. So the hedges, you can see, were hanging in there for a while, and then pretty soon price action started taking the hedges out, and the hedges, there wasn't enough price action to turn the hedge break even. So this thing was taking loss after loss. But I was like, you know what? You want to make the big bucks, you got to take the big risk. So your average person would have lost their mind during this time here. They would have lost their mind. But I've been doing this a long time, and I could sit here and watch this thing, and I could go, you know what? Let it play out. Let it play out. So hedges started getting profitable again. Sorry, this is not a hedge right here. This is an actual main trade. But as I scroll down here, you'll see it was taking some major hedge losses. But still, with all this protection, still ended in a $2,263.49 profit. One trade that played out over a several day period. Because it was taking some losses, if you look back for the week, it had to give up some of its profits for the week. That's why it's $817.43 for the week. And month-wise, it's only up $3,336.68. The point is, you got to be able to stomach what's happening at any given moment, because this hedging system was protecting but taking losses. And in the end, there's no loss. There is nothing but net profit. $2,263.49. And the overall account up nearly 90%. Nearly 90%. And this has been the only trade that I've seen that if you look at it, I'd have to see, let's count how many trades it was actually in terms of the main direction. So it's all these buy trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it was only 9 trades deep. Not a lot, but I'm bidding a 1.0 base lot size. You can see at the end, the lot size was 5.0, $50 per pip. That's pretty high, especially on even an $18,000 account, especially on a base account of $10,000. So, if you're going to let the auto hedge play out on your account, you've got to let it play out on your account. I remember looking at this yesterday going, that's not doing very well. And if you went and looked at the net profit over about a day or two period, it was in the negative. But this thing ended up doing extremely well. I'm just going to leave it at that. You can see where it has also added an NZD JPY last night, and then of course it's in this USD JPY trade. And this was all designed as proof of concept for the auto hedge, and the auto hedge provides protection. So what can you do if you have protection on your account when a trade runs away? You can bid more. You can risk more because there's protection there. but you've got to let it play out. You got to let it play out. Now, certainly at about 9 or 10 trades, it was pushing the numbers really good, but the hedge protection kept the margin level percent looking really well. So, it's about how much you want to risk, how much you can handle stress-wise, risk-wise, emotionally. So, I don't believe there's much else to look at. Let's look at the gold. See what gold did overnight. I have not looked at it. It is closed. I haven't even looked at the results here. So there are no trades open. History-wise, has done a nice closure of $7.26. Again, if you don't feel like $7.26 is very much, this is fully scalable. You can scale this. You can scale up the bid and make a multiple. So 2 times $7, 3 times $7, 10 times $7, 100 times $7. So that's how you scale your profits. It's really, we're in such a smooth market right now. There's really nothing else. Let me see if there's any other experimental stuff that would be exciting to look at that I'm running in the background. Let's take a look at this one. The 10 pip hybrid feed, which is basically a subset of my main algorithm. So I feed this out, and you can see it's a feed because it comes out at a base level 0.01 lot size. Couple trades going on there. It has closed quite a few trades, all with a net profit of $5.92. Scalable, right? So 2 times that, 10 times that, 50 times that, 100 times that, whatever you can bid in your account is what you would have made. You multiply that net profit that my feed is showing by whatever amount you're willing to risk. 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, 50x, whatever you want to do, whatever your account can handle. That's really it for the end of the week. I have spent the week finishing up some AI training videos. I hope to have that done this weekend. 1 left to go. Yeah, we're just trading a smooth market. It's interesting how quiet everyone is. Like unless we get a bunch of drama, or unless we get a trade that's going against us, everybody's quiet as hell. It is what it is. So that's it. Have a happy weekend. Still got a few hours of trading left to do here on Friday. Seems like the volume is done. I heard a lot of it last night. Obviously, we had over 24 trades open, and now we have 10 and very low drawdown. So that's it. Join the group. Good time to jump in and get plugged into the system. Things are really, really smooth in the market right now. Things are quiet, but not quiet to where we're not so quiet where we're not making profits, because we are. So that's it. Appreciate you watching. I will see you inside of the free Discord group, fxwithterry.com. Come join us, and or send me a text, get on a call, get this figured out for yourself. There's no reason the entire world shouldn't be plugged into something like this. So I'll catch you in next week, Monday's episode. Take care.
Thank you for joining us on the Forex Trading Daily Live Show. Get access to all of the free trades with full auto trading at fxwithterry.com. Be sure to subscribe and get notified of the daily live stream. And get ready for your next profitable Forex trade.